Hey everybody, Juan here on my P323, as you might already know. Anyway, I thought it'd just be easier to make a quicker video about leading the lines aft. Back a few months ago, I reinforced this. It was all rotted out by the mast penetration in the deck. So I did all that with Kusa board, and then I put in extra reinforcement so I actually found these like at a resale shop. It was like it was like a semicircle from a much bigger mast, and I cut it, and then I just ground it down and made it so that it wasn't sharp anywhere, so that I could hang these blocks on there. And hey, look, beetle tape. Anyway, I had these spare blocks, so I use these for the reefing lines, but I had to get another one for because it was chafing. The halyard coming in, the angle was too big, the block was too big. So these come off here, halyard comes out from the mast, it runs down through the block, through the turning blocks, and then through my Dodger. I just made like kind of temporary penetrations and put these like I think they're for like audio visual pass-throughs. I just cut out the little fins on the inside and bolted them through for now. I'm probably gonna do a hard Dodger at some point, but I didn't want to take the Dodger off to put grommets on with the grommet press, so I just did this temporarily. And then I have my clutch over here, and a beer, of course, and the winch. And then I reinforced the deck below all the way down. And I haven't made a place to hang the spare reefing lines yet, but everything runs to here through that way. So it's pretty simple. I'm not sure there's any other way to do it really. Over here, if you don't have a Dodger, you can get a winch on this side. But obviously you have to like deal with the curvature of the deck there. But that's it. And this is the sail that I bought from Shaz. It's in real good shape. I put it on because I tore part of my other mainsail. So for now, I'll just use this one while it's getting fixed. And it was in real good shape. Looks good. So I'm gonna raise it so I can flake it better, put the cover on. Then I have to leave the boat, unfortunately. Pobre yo. And also, while the sail's up, I put these two turning blocks in where you'd have the cleats for the jiffy reefing, the cheek blocks, and then there's those cheek blocks back there. So basically it just works the same, except you now have lines run up. They go up through the reef hole and then down to the block and then back. So there's a lot of lines on it when you're done, but I mean, no more really than what you have with the jiffy reefing anyway.